Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Copper versus Grape Marc. We'll explore their fundamental differences, from their origins and physical properties to their diverse applications across various industries. Understanding these distinctions will highlight why each material is uniquely valued. Let's delve into their core material properties. Copper, a transition metal, boasts excellent thermal and electrical conductivity, making it indispensable for wiring. Grape Marc, on the other hand, is an organic byproduct, rich in cellulose and polyphenols, offering different characteristics like absorbency and biodegradability. These inherent properties dictate their suitability for various applications. Their applications are as diverse as their properties. Copper is a cornerstone of modern infrastructure, powering our homes and devices and forming critical components in motors and generators. Grape Marc, a sustainable resource, is repurposed in agriculture, enriching soil and providing nutrients for livestock. It also plays a role in the beverage industry, creating unique spirits. Considering their environmental impact, copper is highly valued for its recyclability, allowing for repeated use with minimal loss of quality. Grape Marc, as an agricultural byproduct, promotes circular economy principles by transforming waste into valuable products. Both contribute significantly to different sectors of our economy. Make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Ultimately, understanding their unique attributes helps us appreciate their distinct roles in our world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.